Welcome. Today we're exploring essential tools every freelancer should use to boost productivity. Whether you're starting out or scaling up, these tools will streamline your workflow. Let's dive in. First is Slack. It's the gold standard for real-time communication with clients and team members. Organize conversations into channels and share files effortlessly to keep everyone on the same page. Next, Trello uses a visual board system to help you manage projects and organize tasks easily. With boards, lists, and cards, you can track progress and collaborate with others at a glance. For time management, ToggleTrack is unbeatable. It helps you see exactly where your hours go. Just hit start and stop to track tasks, helping you stay focused and bill clients accurately. Canva is a game changer for design. You can create professional graphics without any design experience. Use thousands of templates to build stunning presentations and social posts in minutes. To polish your writing, Grammarly is a must. It checks your grammar and tone as you write. It ensures your emails and documents are clear, engaging, and mistake-free every time. Zapier connects your apps to automate those repetitive tasks that eat up your day. Set up simple zaps to move data between apps automatically, saving you hours every week. FreshBooks simplifies your invoicing and expense tracking, making sure you get paid on time. Create professional invoices in seconds and manage your business finances with ease. Finally, HubSpot CRM helps you manage client relationships and track every lead. Keep your client history organized and analyze your sales performance all in one place. These tools will help you work smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching and happy freelancing.